Signing up for an Odoo CRM account is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. For online businesses, tracking customers and deal pipelines is crucial to staying on top of conversions. And Odoo CRM is a popular tool to achieve this. The process begins on the Odoo CRM website, where you can click on the Try It Free button to initiate the sign-up process. You will then be asked to provide some basic information, including your name, email address, company name, phone number, language, company size, and primary interest. After submitting this information, you will be redirected to the dashboard, where you will be notified that an activation email has been sent to you. To activate your account, you must click on the link in this email, which will prompt you to create a password. Once your account is active, you can start setting up your calendar and adding contacts. Odoo CRM occasionally offers promotions, such as free trials or incentives for inviting other users. But these can be skipped if you prefer. With your account set up, you can begin using Odoo CRM to manage your customer relationships and track your deal pipeline, making it easier to stay on top of your online business.